What's up everyone? Today we are taking a look at a beautiful home that just got lowered under $1 million located in Windsong Ranch. And if you don't know what Windsong Ranch is, it's a beautiful community in Prosper, Texas. Now this beautiful custom Southgate home is a 4-bed, 4.5 bath with an office, and it is roughly just shy of 4,000 square feet. So let's take a look, guys. Right off the front entry, you've got a beautiful, spacious office space. And let's go ahead and turn the camera around here and showcase one of the bedrooms, which is carpeted, but it is a true guest suite with a closet and bathroom attached. Now heading back into the main hallway here, this is going to be hand-scraped wood floor with a beautiful dark polish. But let's go ahead and take a look at this massive entertainment space. This living room, kitchen, and dining space is perfect for entertainment. The one thing that I love about this fireplace is you have ample space both to the left and right to kind of build your own built-in features. Now flipping over to the kitchen and dining room area or breakfast nook, you of course have a double oven, your beautiful quartz countertops, and all white cabinets here, really for that modern and fresh look. Now, if you take a peek to the right side down this hallway, you will see a mudroom, but we're gonna get to that in just a second. Let's go ahead and head out back. Now we're gonna pass by this little breakfast nook area, which is large enough, to be honest with you, to have a pretty substantial sized table here and have 4 or maybe 6 people eating a nice meal. Let's go ahead and head out back here. You see that you've got a pretty decent sized covered patio. And what's great about Windsong Ranch in Prosper, Texas is the lots are certainly not small. So you get a decent sized lot here, not anything expansive, but we're still talking more than 1/5 of an acre here. And you also get the same aesthetic out back with the dark windows and light brick. It really makes everything pop. Now, one thing that I did mention before we headed outside was you do have a little space here right off the garage as your mudroom, but let's go ahead and take a look at what else there is down this hallway. And one is a pretty expansive sized pantry right off the kitchen. And the other is going to be your beautifully done, and the next is going to be your beautifully done half bath for ease of use and all guests that may be visiting. But let's go ahead and take a look around the back of the kitchen, which is probably my favorite part of the house. Is you have this utility room that's truly tucked away from the rest of the house. And of course, the same beautiful countertops and cabinets that you have in the kitchen, as well as water ran in your utility room. But what's even better is alongside that utility room is your primary bedroom. Once again, tucked away from everything else in the house. It's not right next to the main entertainment space. It's tucked behind, so you won't even likely have guests that are even coming anywhere near your primary bedroom. But let's go ahead and take a look at what's truly important, and that's the primary bathroom here, again with the dark and light accents here. You do have a pretty small closet here though, guys. You're taking a look at that, that is incredibly small. But I've got some good news here coming in just a second. Let's take a look at that large shower. You've got your soaking tub here. And I did say I had some good news. Well, you have a second closet as well. So whether or not it's for him, whether or not it's for her, you still have plenty of room for all of your clothes in this large bathroom and closet combo. So let's go ahead and head back out to the main hallway. Once again, this is leading from the front door. Leading to the front door, you can go ahead and go up these beautifully done stairs to the second floor, which has a balcony that you can look off to your front door, as well as your main living space just around the corner. Now, exact square feet on this house is gonna be 3,893. And once again, it just got lowered to under $1 million in Windsong Ranch. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the 2 bedrooms upstairs, as we've already seen the 2 downstairs. This first, right off the right wing here, is a full guest suite upstairs, similar to what we saw at the beginning of the house downstairs. But let's go ahead and see what else they have on this second floor. Again, we're talking about almost 4,000 square feet. So of course, you're going to get an upstairs media room. Right on the left-hand side, coming up this staircase here, plenty of room for entertainment in there, but even beyond that, which we'll get to here in a second, you do also have a game room upstairs as well. Now, the 4th and final bathroom is going to be a hall bathroom upstairs that can be utilized for anyone and everyone that's utilizing the game room or media room upstairs, as well as the individual and the last bedroom here. And last but not least, this is an expansive game room on the second floor. Plenty of room for entertainment and fun. Now, once again, this is a beautifully done custom home in Windsong Ranch in Prosper, Texas, specifically a Southgate home. 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, under $1 million, and just a shy under 4,000 square feet. Reach out to me if you're interested. I would love to take you on a tour. Thanks again for the support, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, with plenty of more video tours in the Dallas-Fort Worth area to come soon.